Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Today we will be starting with chapter number 1, that is rational number. Before starting with rational number, we will be discussing few concepts that we have studied in the previous classes. Okay, the first one is whole numbers. Now what are whole numbers? The numbers which are starting from 0 and has no end. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, now whole numbers are what? The number which are starting from 0 and has no end. Second, natural numbers. The numbers which are starting from 1 and has no end. Example 1, 2, 3, so on. Now number 3 is integers. Now what are integers? Integers are whole number that can be positive or negative. Like example 0, 1, 2 as well as -1, -2. I will explain this with the help of a number line. These are positive integers. These are negative integers. Now number 4 is fractional numbers. Any number which are in the form of a upon b are called fractional numbers, where a and b are whole numbers. And one more thing, b cannot be equal to 0. Example 2 by 3, 5 by 4 and so on. Students, we will discuss rational numbers. So any number which is in the form of p upon q are called rational number. Where p and q are integers. This is the difference between fractional numbers and rational numbers. Fractional numbers are also in the form of a and b, but a and b were whole numbers. Here p and q are integers. One more thing we have to remember, that is q cannot be equal to 0. P is what? Numerator. And Q is what? Denominator. You all must be thinking that, ma'am, why Q is not equal to 0? Okay, I will explain this with the help of an example. Okay, now any value which is in the form of P and Q are rational number. Suppose we'll take 2 upon 0. So 2 upon 0 will lead to infinity. That is not defined. Okay, can you divide 2 by 0? Which number you will multiply with 0 to get to? So it is not defined. This is undefined. That is why Q cannot be equal to 0. Now student, you must be thinking that, ma'am, what is the difference between fractional number and rational number? The difference is that fractional number are represented in the form of A upon B, where A and B are what? Whole numbers, whereas rational number are represented in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. Now we understood that whole number consists of positive values, whereas integers consist of positive as well as negative values. I hope student now the concept is clear that what are rational numbers? Any number which is in the form of P upon Q are called rational numbers, where P and Q are what? Integers, and Q cannot be equal to 0. In the next video we will be discussing about the properties of rational numbers. I have uploaded one PDF file where I have given the definition of rational number. So I request all the students to kindly note down the definition of rational number in your copy.